Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Alpha Technics. Please remember to subscribe to Alpha Technics and press the like button if you want to see more videos. If you press the dislike button, well, I'm not going to be offended too much. I try and make every effort to respond to any comments. They're all appreciated, very much welcome, negative and positive. I like reading them, and I want to make these videos better. There'll be many more videos to come, mostly regarding the doors over the next couple of episodes. But also there'll be some other exciting things to come to. So it's been a while since my last episode, and the weather's changed. It's got really cold now, and it's about 0 degrees outside, and the car's all tucked up in the garage. But whilst it's here, it's now an opportunity to do some work that I've been planning on doing for quite a while now, and that is working on the door. So this is the issue that I'm faced with now, and I think in the previous episode I alluded to the fact that I'm going to do something with the doors. I've known about the issue since I bought the car, in fact, and the outer skin has obviously been bubbling up and has gone through here on the outside, and it's now time to really make a decision on what to do. Is it an opportunity to salvage the door? Keep the car as standard with steel doors. So what we could do there is we could reskin it, but then the frame actually is in pretty shot in this corner especially, and if I open the door there's some bubbling underneath. So I've got to make a decision really on what to do with this. Now I could reskin it. They are commercially available, and also you can buy the internal frame, almost like the third section of the door, bottom third of the section of the door, and weld it in. Now that being said, would contain a lot of work and a lot of fabrication, which I'm prepared to do. But I do want to get this car back on the road as soon as possible and ready for the spring. And this type of work would take me a long time to do. So what I'd like to do is then have a look at some other options. Now there are fiberglass doors available, and there are also carbon fibre doors available. One of the common issues with these Alfa Romeos is the top hat bushing holds the pin in, the top and the bottom of the pin on the door hinge. They wear out, and actually you can see the play within them as I rock the door up and down is quite significant, and what that does is that misaligns the door when it comes to shut it, and I'll show you that now. So the effect the hinge pin and the wear within it has on the door means that the door now drops. It's dropped out of line. You start to pick up issues with, say down here, a little bit of paint is starting to chip on the door as it shuts. They are old doors and they've had a lot of wear, but as you shut the door, then you can see actually there's quite a significant gap all the way down here, and that's due to that. One of the issues is due to that pin. So certainly we're going to be replacing the two top hat bushing on there, stripping down all the paint off the hinges, getting it back to good condition again. One option of course I can do is to replace the whole door, remove the furniture and the chrome work, the window, the winder, the door mechanism, the locking mechanism, and simply source another door, a steel door, and remove it and replace it and install it into a new door. That is possible, but I've only got one door, and these are actually quite hard to come by, and they're still actually quite expensive. This one I was able to pick up quite cheaply some time ago, over a year ago now. A gentleman has actually reskinned it and put some sound deadening in there. Now this would be a great option, but like I said, I've only got one door. So what else could I do? I think the benefit of carbon fibre is going to be the way forward, and it won't take away the theme of the car and where I want to go with it. It is a long-term restoration project. I want the car to have longevity, and I don't want to keep repairing doors every 10, 12 years. And so the more I think about it, I think the carbon fibre option is going to be the better option. And here is a carbon fibre door. Now these are, I only know of 2 places that manufacture these doors, and I'll respond to a comment to where I bought this one from. I won't say who, but it's very, very good. There we go, there's the partner if anybody's interested. This is the right-hand drive, left-hand door, left-hand, right-hand drive car. And so we have all the holes for the hinges and the brackets which we need to work in. I can see actually it comes with the brackets already installed inside the casing. What they don't have, fortunately, is the hole for the door handle and for the door lock, but that's alright. I think it comes with a template. If not, I can always get one and then get that. So this side will be the the door lock mechanism. Yeah, really good. On the inside, of course, one of the reasons for purchasing a carbon door is the weight of it, and this OKP state that this is 3.3 kilograms. I'm going to compare the weight on some scales compared to another door that I've got, which is a bare door in steel, but you know, I could just lift this up really easily, and it's going to make a great weight saving. I predict probably about 10 kilograms, 12 kilograms on either door. So a total weight of between 20 and 24, maybe even more than that kilograms weight saving. It's not going to be a racing car, you know, it's a fast road car. The other reason is they won't rust, and they will last for years and years and years to come. We'll look after them, they don't get damaged. Got lots of work to do to cut out all the holes and things for the mechanism, for the window wind mechanism and the door release. So, on loan from the bathroom is the trusty bathroom scales, non-calibrated device, so it's not going to be perfectly accurate, but we're going to compare the steel door first, bare steel door, and then we'll compare the carbon door afterwards. This is the steel door first, and let's see what it weighs. You're going to be looking at it upside down, and I'm just going to hold it. Okay, that is 13.8 kilograms. 13.8 kilograms. Next was the carbon fibre door. And the manufacturer states this is 3.3 kilograms. Let's have a look. Yeah, pretty good. I'd agree with that. So on these scales it's 3.4 kilograms. So after weighing the 2 doors, steel was at 13.8 kilograms, carbon 3.4. So that's a weight saving of 10.4 kilograms per door. 21, let's call it 21 kilograms for the car. That's a really great saving. It is a hefty weight. They're big doors in these Alfas, being a 2-door car. So I think the carbon doors have it really. It's a great weight saving. They're going to last for years and years and years to come without requiring too much work. I think actually they provide better safety protection if you're involved in an accident, and they're not going to get dinks and knocks as well. That's the other great benefit from car doors hitting them. They tend not to. They don't dent and dink and chip like steel doors do. So the way forward, I think, in this build is going to be the carbon doors. If you like these videos, then please subscribe to Alfa Technics and press the like button somewhere there. And for future videos, there'll be more coming soon.